Congratulations, you sold an item on ifndautoparts. Shipping your items through the platform is quick and easy. We'll walk you through the simplest steps to get your items shipped and on their way to your buyers. Once you sell an item, you'll receive an email containing your shipping label. You can either download it directly from the attachment or by clicking the download button in the email. To view additional details for the order, log into your account, select My Account in the top header bar, then select Sold Items to find the order you need to ship. Click on View Details to review the order information, including the buyer's details and shipping address. If you're on their app, select Menu, then Sold Items. Print the shipping label at home or, if available, at a local parcel shop. Keep in mind, not all labels can be printed at the shop, so be sure to double check first. And don't forget to make sure your package weight and dimensions match what's listed for the item to avoid any extra charges. Securely package your item to prevent any damage during transit. I like to use packing peanuts or bubble wrap. Ensure you follow the packaging guidelines set by your chosen carrier. For orders with multiple items, some couriers will provide a separate label for each item, so be sure to pack and label them individually. Other couriers will send a single label for the entire package, which means you'll need to combine all items into one box. Take your packaged item to your courier's drop-off location and keep in mind that some parcel shops have size and weight restrictions, so check online before heading out. Once a parcel is sent, the system will automatically update the order status and notify the buyer. And that's it, you've successfully shipped your item. Now sit back, grab a cuppa and let the carrier do the rest.